Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Touch ID on your MacBook Neo. First of all, we're gonna have to select the Apple logo in the top left corner of your MacBook screen and then select System Settings. After going to System Settings, you're gonna have to scroll down to Touch ID and Password on the sidebar, select this option, and then select the plus icon above, Add Fingerprint. After that, you're going to have to enter the password to your MacBook and press Enter, and then you're going to have to place your finger on the Touch ID, which is located right here. So start placing your finger, then lifting it up until the middle of your fingertip is added, and then add the edges of your fingertip by slightly adjusting the angle of it. And when Touch ID is ready, we can tap done, and now we can start using it for purchases and unlocking our PC. If you want to add in another fingerprint, tap plus right here and proceed by adding it. And now let's test it. Let's press the power button to lock the screen, and let's slightly put the fingerprint on the fingerprint scanner, and as you can see, the laptop recognizes my fingertip immediately. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.